You are going to love the 2022 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, trip computer, clock, compass, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, day-night rear view mirror, perimeter alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.